Hello everyone, welcome back to JD Code Base. Today is day 30 of my lead code 75 study plan series. And today we are solving another lead code problem, that is a 3 to 8 odd even linked list. And in this video we will solve it using a beginner friendly brute force approach. So if you are new to linked list, don't worry at all. We will understand everything step by step in a very simple way. So let's start and read the problem statement first. Given the head of a linked list, group all the nodes with the odd indices together followed by the nodes with the even indices and return the reordered list. The first node is considered to be odd and second node is even, and so on. Note that the relative order inside the both the even and odd group should remain as it was in the input. You must solve the problem in the big of 1 extra space complexity and big of n time complexity. Let me simplify this problem statement. We are given the head of a linked list. This one is a linked list, and we need to group all the nodes at odd position together, followed by the odd nodes at even position together. Means we have to rearrange this linked list. Means all the node position elements comes in the first, then even position elements come to the after that. And the problem talks about the position. Remember here, read the problem statement again carefully here. Group all the nodes with odd indices together, followed by the nodes with the even indices. Here, look at the indices word. So it means index or position, not the value, and not odd even value like one position, like 1, 3, 5 is odd values and 2 or 4, 6 is even value. Don't be confused with that. So if we say the example number 1 is totally a simple one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3 and 5 are the odd position and 2 and 4 are the even position. So we can simplify this, and many beginners confused with this also. Example number 2 is the original one that shows the actual problem here. What we have to solve. 2, 1, 3, 5, 6, 4, 7. In the odd position, if we see 2, 3, 6 and 7, and 1, 5 and 4 are the even position. So what we have to do, 2 is at come first, 3 again, then 6, then 7, and follow by the even position numbers, that is 1, 5, 4. And so this is what here we have to solve. This means we place all the odd position node first, then even position nodes after that. So let's understand how to think about this problem. Since linked lists are difficult to arrange for the beginners, means linked list has the means pointers and the values, and it is difficult for the beginners to rearrange them. And we will first store values separately, like how in the array, in the normal array, how can we do that? Means by get the index value by square bracket and get the index value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I get. But in the linked list we do not have this option, so we have to think about something else. So we will use the two arrays, one array for the odd position, one array for the even position nodes. Then we will traverse the linked list, and as the we start with the index 1. Why index 1? I said because in linked list we do not have the indexes access, so we can start with the one index, and by this we means first we store the odd position nodes and one array for the even position nodes. Then we will traverse the linked list and update the node value in this. So this is not the optimized solution, as in the problem statement said. Write this, solve the problem in the big of 1 extra space and the big of n time complexity. But that is totally perfectly fine while learning, because we are recognizing pattern. We are not as the pro in the means problem solving, and so let's start writing the code here. First we have this function odd even list, and it takes the head of the linked list. We have to just write a if head is the empty, return null. Means if the linked list is the empty, simply return the null. Then const odd is the means I just created two arrays. Const even is the also a blank array. Means odd array store odd position node value and even array store even position node value. Then let temp is equal to head and let index is equal to 1. So here temporary value is used for the traversal, means I just copy the head, the linked list to the temporary variable, and also a index that start with the index 1, and this is just for traversal, means I use. Now start a while loop while temporary value is not equal to null, means this loop run until the linked list end, and every time means this is how we traverse the loop, means until the it reaches the null value. If index modulo 2 is equal to 0, then we have to push even dot push temporary dot val. Now how I get the temporary dot val, because if we see definition of a singly linked list, the real code problem already says that the linked list has two things, val and the next. Val is for the access the value and next is for the means traverse pointer. Else odd dot push temporary dot val, means if index is the 1, then we just means if index is the even, then we push the value in the even index and even array, and if it is odd value, then we push the odd value odd index. So it goes into the means odd array. So after that we have to again write here temp equal to temp dot next and index plus plus, means move to the next node here by temp is equal to temp dot next and increase the index for the traversing, means accessing the element. Now our first traversal complete. If you want to console.log what it comes, just write it console.log even and odd. Let me run. And yes, I get the even array as the 2 and 4 1 3 5 and even array as the 1 5 4 2 3 6 7. That is totally perfectly here. Now let's come to the second traversal, means override the linked list value. What that means original answer. Again reset this temporary value, means with the head, means reset the temp back to the head. Initialize the two pointers here, I is equal to 0, let j is equal to 0, and here I value is track the odd array and j value track the even array. Again start a while loop, temporary value is not equal to null, and if I is smaller than odd dot length, means odd array dot length, then temporary dot value is equal to odd of I and I plus plus. Else temporary dot value is equal to even of j and j plus plus. So first fill the odd values, and after the odd array end, means I is small means I greater than odd dot length, means it's completely full. After that we fill the even values, and every time we have to do one thing, temp is equal to temp dot next, means move to the next node here, and this is very important line for traversing the linked list. This is how we traverse the linked list. Temp is equal to temp dot next. I just move to the next index in array. Just as example, I am saying in array in the linked list, I just write here. If we do not write it, we stay on the same node forever. So now traversal is complete, and we just place all the values and the temporary already linked to the head. So we means we just make if you understand the copy of the means copy the value shallow copy or deep copy. So this is the same concept apply here. We just make it and in last return the head. So let's run this code. This one is little bit confusing, but it's totally perfect if you're a beginner. Even I struggle when I see this first time. And yes, our solution is accepted and it's totally work. For all its empty test cases are passed. So let me quickly revise again. So we use it two arrays here, one for odd position node, one for even position node. And first traversal and we store all the values here in this while loop and we store all the values in the odd array and in the even array. Then in the second traversal, we override the linked list in this. Just it's a simply brute force approach, and it's a very beginner friendly approach. And here time complexity is the big of n because first traversal take big of n time complexity and second also take big of n. So total is the big of n time complexity. But space complexity here is the big of n because we are using the two extra array here. So space complexity is the big of n, and that is totally accepted because we are totally beginners. And that is for day 30 of the LeetCode 75 study plan series. I hope this problem is now super clear to you. And in the upcoming videos, when we complete this 75 study plan and we recognize the patterns and familiar with all the data structure, we will again solve this problem with the big of one extra time, extra space complexity. And if you enjoy this video, then please like the video, comment your approach if you have any other, and subscribe to JD Codebase. And I will see you in the next video.